I'm showing you guys this lace front wig that was sent to me by a company called NA Beauty. They sent me a kinky curly lace front wig, I believe it is, and this is how it came in the box, like this. Really cute packaging. It just has the NA Beauty logo on there, and then on the back it has a load of instructions, which I'm not going to bother reading because it's too long. I actually have filmed this video a while ago, but I'm just refilming this intro because I wanted to say Happy New Year, and I hope you guys have had a really great start to your year so far. And the rest of this video is going to just be me installing the wig and showing you guys how I styled it and the finished look, and basically just giving my thoughts and opinions on it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I styled this wig, then please keep on watching. Okay, so before I get into the styling, I wanted to show you guys how it came. So you guys have seen the box already, which looks like this. Inside, when you open the box, the first thing that you'll see is your wig, and this is what it looks like inside. It just comes in like a net. It is super huge right now because I have obviously styled it and stuff already because I'm filming this intro again, as I said. But it just comes like this, and I'll put that down to one side. Inside the box, this is what you get. This is the rest of the contents of the box, and I'll just show you guys quickly. So the first thing you get is a pair of eyelashes. These eyelashes are quite cute, but I have Aliexpress on right now, so I won't be using these for a while, but this is what they look like. I thought that's a cute touch. Then you get this coupon thingy majig, so if you order from them, you get some money off, something like that. And then the last thing that came in the box was this wig cap, which obviously I won't use because this isn't my colour. But if you wanted to use this, you can put your foundation on the parted area, it will work just as well. But yeah, that's what I got in there. Actually, there was one more thing. It actually came with a strip of elastic in the box, which I thought was super handy, because if you wanted to attach an elastic to the wig to make it feel a bit more secure and for it to feel a bit more fitted, then you could be free to do that with no extra hassle as well. So that's what came inside the box. So now I'm going to just quickly show you the wig. So this is how it looks without like any product in it or any styling. Obviously, it's just straight out of the box, so it's quite big. How it looks inside. So we have I think there's 4 combs in here, and there's adjustable straps at the bottom as well. Obviously I've cut the lace, but I'm going to show you guys what the wig looked like with the lace on and everything as well. But this is basically what you get when you first open the box. So yeah, I'm going to just move on to the styling video, and then I'll see you guys at the end for my final thoughts and opinions. guys, so this is basically the end result. I decided to move it from a middle parting to side parting just so that it can be kind of out of my face, and I actually felt like I looked a little bit better, but this is how it looks. As you guys saw in the video, I did trim the ends down a little bit just because I didn't really like the V. It had kind of like a V shape and I just wanted it to be a bit more blunt. But yeah, I think it looks quite cute. This is not my usual style or go-to, so I don't think I'd reach for it every single day, but if I felt like having a change or just changing it up, switching it up, then this would definitely be a cute wig to reach for. So yeah, this is the texture close up so you guys can see. It is such a nice texture, guys. Like, it's so lovely. If this wig was in like 30 inches or like 32 inches, I would literally be obsessed, because you guys know that I love my long hair. I can't really give a detailed review because obviously I've only been wearing this wig for a couple of hours, but I'll just let you guys know how I've been finding it so far. So the hair's super soft. Tangling and stuff hasn't really been an issue. I did notice some shedding when I was washing the hair in the sink. I don't know if you guys saw those clips. I don't know if it showed in the clips that I put in this video, but there was some shedding. However, because this hair is so like curly, like this is proper curly hair, I wasn't really too fussed or too surprised because it's curly hair. What do you expect, you know? My hair is straight because it's relaxed and my hair still sheds. People's hair sheds, so if the hair is like dead and it's not like got any source of life, then of course it's going to shed as well. So I wasn't too concerned. And I've had like other textures that are straight and they shed way worse than this, so I'm not really too fussed about it. But I thought I'll just let you guys know, because I know some of you guys, like when it comes to shedding, no matter what texture, you guys don't play any games, so wanted to just let you guys know. But overall, I think the hair is cute. I don't have any issues with it or anything. I think it's nice. It's not really my style, but I think it's nice to try something new every once in a while. So yeah, I really like it, and I think you guys will like it if it continues to behave the way it's behaving, like the soft texture and like the curl pattern and all of this stuff. Hopefully it all remains the same and stays the same, and I would recommend it to you guys. So yeah, that is basically this review. I will leave all the links to the hair and the company down below, but I also will be selling this wig. So I'm going to start selling my personal wigs again. Because I do my custom wig service, I kind of stopped with my personal wigs, but then they just started stacking up and stacking up. So I'm going to do like a big wig sale soon. So yeah, if you guys want this wig that I'm wearing on my head, like my one that I'm wearing right now, I will be selling it at a discounted price. So please check the description down below. It will be quite cheap because I've got too many wigs and I need to get rid of them. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions or anything you want to ask me, then feel free to leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video.